We got our hands on a new Smedioks stone mold. This right here is a 4-inch zoom brush hog stone mold. And just like every other Smedioks stone mold, instructions come with it on how to make soft plastic baits. A bottle of oil, because these stone molds do require oil, and the mold itself with a nice beautiful imprint of Smedioks on one side and an imprint of the brush hog on the other side. These are made with high precision CNC machines, so these are definitely durable, high quality stone molds right here. They do come pre-shot. They've tested it out for you to make sure there was no imperfections in them. This is a 1-cavity stone mold, and by the looks of it, the pre-shot looks pretty good. I don't see any dents in this one. So let's go ahead and oil this mold down, shoot our own brush hog, and hopefully we get a great quality bait just like this one. Add a few drops of oil that was provided for you. 2 drops into both sides should be plenty. Brush it down so you can get that oil spread out evenly. Close it up. You will need some clamps to clamp the stone mold down because you don't want the plastisol spewing out the sides. You want a nice tight fit. 2 clamps on this one should be plenty. Got the plastisol cooked to a perfect 350 degrees. Time to add some color. I'll be doing June bug. Stir it up. I'm going to throw in some evergreen glitter and some beautiful silver glitter here. Give that a nice good mix. Once that's nice and mixed up, get our injector and shoot the mold. This one doesn't require a lot of plastisol at all. Nice, slow, even pressure down. Once it's filled up, give some more pressure down and just make sure to top it off. Give that about 2 to 3 minutes to cool off and we'll take a look, see how we did. It's been about 3 minutes. It's definitely cooled off. Crack it open and take a look. Whoa. Whoa, which side you coming out? Here we go. All right, nice. Turned out beautifully. That evergreen and silver definitely looks amazing in the June bug color. The mold held up really well. I don't see any dents, air pockets anywhere. Definitely had a beautiful, beautiful shot. If you're looking for a new mold to add to the collection, I think this one might be it. The bait turned out amazing. And if you're looking to try out some more stone molds, I highly recommend checking out Smedioks' lineup of stone molds. They have a variety of different molds available, affordable, but definitely high quality stone mold. I don't think I have a single stone mold from Smedioks that I don't like.